Hello and welcome back to RPA Automation, my YouTube channel. In this channel, we are going to see all everything related to RPA technology and AI technology and machine learning technology. So I have already uploaded interview questions and all related to Automation Anywhere tool, how we can utilize that tool for RPA technology. So if you have not seen those videos, so please watch those videos. And if you have any query, so comment down below. I will try to resolve your query or questions. So in today's video, we are going to see what is document automation in Automation Anywhere. So document automation is very nowadays going to very popular technology, and Automation Anywhere offers you that technology to process your documents in structure format. So, so this document automation series, I have to plan create more and more videos from basic to advanced for document automation uh, using Automation Anywhere tool. So if you want to create that series, so comment down. So I will try to create more and more videos on document automation from basic to advanced. In that series, we are going to see each and every step and what is the prerequisite for document automation. Prerequisite in the sense license, which type of license we need to have for that, pricing and costing, and what is pre-process for document automation, right? So we can't jump directly into the document automation. We are going to see little very small and basic things which need to have knowledge about that for the document automation. So in today's video, we are going to see what is document automation and how does it work and why it is a game changer. So let's get started. So document automation is you can see here in the community also we have a license. We have a one option called in the AI package. You can see here document automation options is available, but here we can create only 5 learning instance. There is a limitation for community edition, so we can't create more learning instance in this community edition. So if I'm going to create that document automation series in the enterprise version. So if you want to create that series, so please comment down. I will try to create more video on that. So today we can see document automation in Automation Anywhere is a smart feature that allows bots to read, extract, and understand data from different types of documents like invoices, receipts, purchase order, contracts, and more. So it uses AI and machine learning to understand both structured and unstructured data, even form scan or handwritten documents also, right? So here is a few key components that we can see under a document automation. So that will be learning instance. So you can see here, learning instance is in the learning instance we can training model where you teach I need to extract this field, what data to extract, and how we can extract that data. That type of different types of fields and paragraphs also we can extract using this learning instance. For that we need to create learning instance, and this learning instance, in that learning instance we can apply different types of fields rules and documents rules for if you want to extract specific field only and your learning instance going to another way, that time we can create that type of fields rules and documents rules also. So next key component is our document types. So this define what kind of documents you are processing, like invoice, resumes, or forms, or any structured data, right? So next things will be it's work like IQ bot, but nowadays so many organizations are going to replacing their IQ bot to document automation, because document automation is providing more accuracy and more powerful extracted data instead of IQ bot. That's why document automation is very important, and it's very interesting also. It's combination of AI and machine learning, so it's very uh, powerful and it's very interesting. So IQBot is previously IQBot is working like it's analyzing documents and extracting key fields using AI. So like same this technology, automation anywhere is inbuilt into a document automation under this AI package. So we are going to this AI technology also in the document automation, how we can utilize this AI technology. So this license I have in the enterprise version. So I'm going to create video on that also. So how it works? Document automation is how it works for our task, like how we can create our easy work, or how we can create learning instance, how we can extract data using that document automation, right? So the bot will receive or access the documents, then bot will scan and extract the required data using the train module in the sense this learning instance, and the data is validated either automatically or manually if confidence is low, right? So finally the data is sent to a Excel file or an application for further use. Let's say you receive 100 invoices daily via email. Instead of manually opening each invoice and typing details into your one of the application or system, then document automation does this for you, fast, accurate, and scalable, right? So document automation helps you in the business, like using that document automation you can save time and reduce manual efforts. Document automation will increase data accuracy, scale document processing, and improve overall efficiency in document heavy process, right? So for that we need to must have some prerequisite knowledge. So that's a series I'm going to create in my YouTube channels. So how we can first of all, how we can understand this document is going to is are able to process in the document automation or not, and this document is structured or unstructured, this document is which type of documents we have, like that all prerequisites. We are going to create that type of series in our YouTube channel. Suppose you are receiving your input files in suppose to your Outlook mails or SharePoint or share drive. So how we can access this input document for our learning instance or our document automation to process next process, right? So these all questions are going to solve in next videos. So I'm going to create this series from very basic to advanced. So if you found this video is helpful, or if you want to create um, document automation series, so please comment down below. So I will try to create document automation series for you also. So that's a quick overview of document automation in Automation Anywhere. If you found this video is helpful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RP Automation for more videos like this. So drop your question in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.